read that. Oh!
Can I paint this, Tia? Is it painted?
Pardon? What is this? What is this? I'm so excited. Okay. Wait, it's wrapped up.
Okay.
Oh my god. No, it's can't. It's can't. Wait, it's. I can't. Can you pass me the scissors, please? Thanks. Okay.
Tia, why didn't you use the scissors, baby? They're
I
there
did.
for a reason.
I did.
If you did, you would have cut from the side. Cut it from the side.
I did, Mum. It's not working. Ah. Okay. A letter. Dear, thank you for my parents from Okay. It comes wrapped up in cute wrapping. This is how I open my presents every year. I got this before already, Mama. But it's that pillow.
Is that pillow to colour in? Oh, so you got two now.
I've got two now. But thank you.
You're going to do it today?
I'm so gonna do it today. Have to look at the back. Look, this is the front,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's like a photo outline, and
Oh,
at the
it's
back.
not the same. The
No.
one that you have is different.
Okay,
It's a different
but it's the same
design.
brand.
It's really big.
And then look, and then the back, Mum.
You can do
The
whatever
back.
you
No,
want.
look at the back. You can write something.
Yeah, yeah, you can do whatever you want.
Oh
How cool is
wow!
that?
Thanks. Oh, we have we got bubble wrap.
Why are you taking out the bubble wrap?
Because I didn't bubble wrap. Hiding under all that bubble wrap is a nice
Card.
card. Sorry, Tia Ali. Just a little note. We are thinking of you and sending.
Virtual.
Virtual hugs and lots of love from Miss Beckett and Miss Staunton. XXXXX. Thank you. I love it. Oh my god. I'm like so doing this today, Mum. You know that, right?
What did you say to Miss Beckett, Miss Barrington?
Thank you.
Give him a kiss.
Mwah. And I like this. It's
Did you tell them that you're in the same room as the first time?
I'm in the same room as the first one, so you guys will recognize this room.
So same bed, room one.
And it's
See.
one pillowcase designed fairy tales and legends, and it comes with pens. So there's like